Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to have you guys here. In this particular video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to customize a full lace wig, either a full lace or a 360, any of the one that you can use it to make boss braid, just like you see how I customize it into bosses. Depending on the size of the boss you want, you can still use it to make a cornrow wig. Depends on you. Don't worry, I'm going to still upload a video on how I made this particular braided wig. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If this is the first time you are stopping by my channel, please subscribe and join this family. Please do not skip any part of this video so I don't miss any important part. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and please do not forget to like this video, share this video, and share your opinion in the comment section. So now to work on the front side of the full, you have to first of all customize your hairline. If the full lace you're working with doesn't have already customized hairline, you can see I use a pencil to do mine. I've already uploaded a video on how to do this. Please check the description of this particular video. So I started with a line, I skip a line, and then I went on the next one, I skip the next one, like that. When I get to the size I want, I'll start venting the holes. Now I'm venting using the vertical horizontal pattern of ventilation. Okay, this is what this pattern is called, the vertical and horizontal pattern of ventilation. So for the holes, I skipped 2 holes. Depending on how many holes you want to skip, you can skip 1, you can skip 2. I already made a video on how to skip your holes, either a hole, 2 holes, or 3 holes, or preferably a hole and or 2 holes. 3 holes is much, you won't like the outcome. That's just the fact. So I'm skipping 2 holes for this front side. For the back, I skipped just a hole. So if you've not watched the video on how I vented the back of this full lace, please watch the second video before this one. That's how I vent the back side. I have to divide this video into 3 parts, so this is the last part. I already uploaded the one for the back, the center, and then this is for the front. So to understand every step, then go ahead and watch the 3 videos. Okay, watch all complete. So when I'm done with my first boss, now I'll go ahead and braid. Remember, the size of the boss depends on what you want. If you want a bigger size, it means you have to work on a bigger space. If you want smaller one, they have to reduce. So coming to the next boss, now I have to first of all vent to the hairline. When I'm done with the hairline, you can as well vent the hairline till you get to the end so that you will not forget, or you can still follow my pattern anyone you want. So I skip a line, I vent on the next one. For the holes, I'm skipping 2 holes. Like I said earlier, you can still skip just a hole, because that's what I did when I was customizing the back side. But for this front side, I'm skipping 2 holes. So pass your venting pin through the hole, pick your strand, bend it towards you and make a loop. That's simply how to vent. If you're a beginner, you don't even know how to vent at all, okay, please check the description of this video. I have a very detailed tutorial video for beginners who doesn't know how to vent at all, and that particular video is on slow motion, so the video can easily guide you through on how to vent as someone who has not done ventilation for the first time, or someone who is finding it difficult to vent. Guys, I will soon upload a video on how to customize or ventilate a full lace without an outline. You see some person when they want to vent a full lace, they first of all use either a metallic pen or a pencil to draw bosses, and sometimes depending on which pattern the person is making use of, it doesn't, so it might not really come out well. So I'll be uploading a video soon on how you can ventilate a full lace without an outline. So what you will do for me is just for you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that once I upload that video you will get notified. Okay, YouTube will notify you that I have uploaded that video. So I'll just go ahead and continue with the same process, making my bosses, skipping my line and skipping my holes, 2 holes. And please do not pick more than 3 strands of, sorry, more than 2. Okay, you can as well pick 3, but do not pick more than 3. Okay, so that when you are done with your wig, it will look so realistic. So guys, if you followed me to this point and you are yet to like this video, please go ahead and like this video so that YouTube can suggest this video to others who might be finding it difficult to actually vent a full lace the easy way. Please like. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section, because I will attend to all your questions. So I'll continue forming my bosses like that till I am done. Okay, remember I'm skipping a line and 2 holes. You can as well skip a line and just a hole. If you don't understand, please watch the second video before this one. Okay, that's what I make use of. I use the 1 line 1 hole for the back. Okay, if you don't know how I was able to do the back, the center before this front side, please watch the part 1 and part 2 of this video so that you get to understand how I did everything. So this is the full lace when I am done. Okay, this is the size of bosses I want. You can follow your own, do the size you want. Okay, want a smaller size or bigger size, just do what you prefer. So this is it when I am done. You see the hairline, see the front, everything is looking okay. Thank you guys for watching my videos, sharing my videos, liking and commenting. I appreciate all that. And please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and please share my videos. Thank you guys once again for watching, and see you in my next upload. I'll soon upload a video where I use this same unit to make a braided wig, the one I showed you guys earlier. Stay tuned so that you don't miss it. Bye.